Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to remove your bio in TikTok, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. Step 2. Once you're in the profile menu, look for the Edit Profile option and tap on it to proceed. Step 3. In the Edit Profile menu, until you find the Bio option. Tap on it to open the Bio editing screen. Step 4 now. Delete the text in your bio. Simply clear the text field. Step 5. After deleting your bio, confirm the changes by tapping the Save option at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully removed your bio in TikTok. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.